Your papa is like here, so like let's see cake. Okay. Okay. It's the family. यहाँ मुसी चाहिँ okay. some गाडीमा र आफूलाई पनि यहाँ केक. So let's have something here. भन्छ अझै पिस पुग्न. How was the ride, Vanja?
Good! It's so good!
What's up?
This was my favorite. I feel scared.
Vanja, we're here in the top, guys. Look from here. Look, guys, we are going to. Hi, sir. Hi, Golo. Same like it.
Hello, we are in chocolate. I mean, Hershey pink violet flower. But there's a boy.
I know Cancun one.
We are here in Heartsley chocolate.
Hello.
No, I'm eating.
We can even walk together to make sure you all get it.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Here,
just don't worry about it.
And this is our first time here.
Heartsley chocolate town ma aipugim. Roller coaster. And see over there.
So this is Hershey Park where there is roller sitting. There might be it's closed. I don't know. Hershey's Park, here we come. So we're inside and there's a. We're going here. We're in water fountain. There's games and activities, but there till we find something.
Hershey Park's running smoothly, and then we'll be right back.
Going in. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. And yeah, bye. The free tour train. We're going in. See you in the. We're going in. Hi now. Hi, Santa. You can never want us to see you. Hi. And there's more line, and then we have
Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety.
Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp. Find the balance to achieve that unique and
What's milling? Look, mirror!
Down like this for thousands of years.
known as Hershey's Cocoa. Pressing all that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Milk meets these are high quality standards. One is
No chocolate.
where the art of chocolate. Then you mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier.
These cookies use
Granite roller.
the conching process mixes and heats the chocolate.
Bring it to just the right texture and consistency. California almonds. Next, we pour the milk
Chocolate.
Everyone has a great
Chocolate.
So sweet!
Is that dyed?
Learn that wherever you go, you're never far from a club. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
And then it's
Hey guys,
And it's time for our tram service for your safety. Please remain seated. After you allow young children for their safety. 25 to 50 on the right. Prepare. If you'd like a photo, join our smile.
hey, no, okay, let's go. He's excited to do this. How are you feeling, Manja? What do you want to do? Okay. Are you afraid?